Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you hair combos you need to try using new hairstyle from the Petal update and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the hair selection and then I'm going to use this hair and also this one and then this one as well. Okay, and then also this one. I'm going to remove the flower. Wait, let me exit it first. Okay, for this hairstyle, I'm going to remove the flower. Okay, and we're going to make it back. Okay, and for this one, I'm going to remove the bangs. Alright, and also this one, I'm gonna remove the bangs as well. And now it's time to match the color. I'm just going to make them have the same color. Okay, like this. And for this one, make it the same color. Okay, and this one as well, make it same color. Okay, and this is the last one, just make it same color. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.